Good morning friends, good morning viewers, and good morning students. In the lecture number 5, today I am going to explain you how to protect a Word file or Excel file, PowerPoint file with a password. My name is, I will open the Word file first. I am opening the Word file. Here you go to this button and save as. Under save as you will have here, before this save you have tools. Press this tools, you will find general options. Click on this general options, see password to open. You type any password. For example, I am giving N. Don't give this password to modify, just click OK, and again I am giving one letter N. OK. You save your file with any name. For example, I am typing my name Naveen and taking the at desktop. Okay, save it. Okay, now close the file, open the file on the desktop. See, I am opening the file in the desktop. Name is Naveen, Word file Naveen. Just I am searching my name. See here, double click, it will ask for the password. If I press enter, if I enter my password, then you click it, then only it will open the file. Like this you can give the password to the Word file. Same as for the Excel also. See, I am opening one Excel file. I am entering some data here. Okay, I am saving it. Just go to the file here, save as, and don't take anything. Save as, double click it here. You will give the file here. Before the option, before the save, you are having the option tools. Press this tools here, general options. See, again it is asking password to open. Here I am giving J. Don't give this modification, modify a password, just press OK. It will ask for the confirmation. Again I am giving J. OK. I am saving on the desktop. Name is, for example, Jyoti. File name, this is my file name, Jyoti. Okay, press OK. Just I am saving the file with name Jyoti. If I close it, if I want to open the file again from the desktop, see, I am searching for Jyoti. See, this is my file. If you double click this one, it will ask for the password. I am given as J. Okay, same file, it is open. In the same case as it is if it is a PowerPoint also, I am entering something, Naveen Kumar, some data, and I want to save with password. Click this one, same, tools general. Okay, it is asking password to open, password to modify. Just to give the password in the open. Okay, I am giving professor, PROF. Okay, save. Again it is asking for the confirm, PROF. Okay, and the file name is Naveen.ppt under desktop. Naveen. Okay, I am closing it. I want to open the Naveen file. See, when I open it like this, the PowerPoint from the desktop. So this is my desktop. I want the PowerPoint name is Naveen. Say Naveen. Double click. It will asking for the password. If I enter PROF, then it will open the PowerPoint. Like this you can give the passwords to your Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Okay, thank you very much. My name is Naveen Kumar. I am a system administrator in the Department of Electrical, Usman City, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.